Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. If you are watching this today, it is April 19th, and this is the Brewed Beauty Collab, hosted by Alex from Makeup Addict 1992. Also in the collab is Char from Char's Fashion Nation, and Johna from My Nails and More by Johna, and also Erica from Erica's Nail and More. I will have all their channels linked down below. The Brewed Beauty Collab is hosted by Alex from Makeup Addict 1992. We've been doing this for, I think, we're going on our second month. This week's look is the Aries look. I'm sorry about last week. I did not do the diamond look as my daughter was having surgery and we were recovering in the hospital. So, a little update on Heidi. She's doing well. We are home. She did come home with a catheter. She is walking still with the walker, but her balance is improving. Her feet have woke up. She was, the one leg was really dragging. She was barely able to stand before the surgery. She's a real trooper, and she showed me what being determined and brave is all about. I will go over a little bit more in detail on one of the magical masks videos. And excuse my voice, it was very dry in the hospital. We've been home a couple days now, just adjusting to life. She has an in-home visiting nurse coming, so I am in the room beside my daughter's room filming this. So this week's look is an Aries look. I am an Aries, so I'm excited to do this look. And I am going to use from ColourPop the bold and the Aries palette, and the Aries lippy that came with it. So I don't want to make this real long. I did do my foundation. I used CoverGirl Olay, which you can see it's almost empty, and I do have another one right here. Simply Ageless, and that's in the color Honey. I used the light concealer from CoverGirl, which I need to order some more. And I did a little bit of blush, and it's LYS blush. We're just going to do a simple Aries look. So I hope everybody's been doing good. I don't like having to skip a video on my collab. I might go back and do the look. I can't get this open. I had to drag everything over here, so not over here, but down here. Alright, so this is what the palette looks like. We are going to do something cute. Alright. Let's see. There's no light shade, like really light shade, to go all over the lid with. They're all pretty dark. Are you okay? Okay. If you hear noise in the background, that's Heidi. So, we all seem to have coughs from the hospital. I just hope she's not getting sick. That's all I need on top of everything else. Alright, So I should have brought more pallets. I'm gonna put down burial ground. No, I'm not, because that's a gray. I'll just deal with it. We're just going with it. Okay. So I'm gonna go into, I can't read the colors. 0 to 100 color. I'm gonna go. I'm just trying to make this a simple look, not a excruciating long video. This is blending nice. It's very pigmented. And we're just gonna do both eyes at once. I can't complain about, I mean I could, but I won't, about the hospital. They took very good care of Heidi Jo. Her surgical team was wonderful. Most of the nurses were wonderful. The CNAs were absolutely fabulous. They were so good and compassionate with Heidi Jo, and I'm grateful for that. And they tolerated my weirdness. So there's that. Alright, I'm gonna go in with Fire It Up. It's the darker color. Are you getting sick, Heidi? Okay. Let me find a different brush. It's that brownish orange. I'm using the camera as a mirror. I don't want this to be a real crazy look. Although I love crazy orange looks. But I want it to be something. I mean, anyone can get this little quad palette from ColourPop. I'm sorry the camera angle is a little weird. I'm not used to kind of setting up on a whim. But I want to do my videos, so we're adapting. Now that is one thing I can say about Heidi. How she has adapted to everything that has happened to her. And although I was right on the ride with her, this did not happen to me. Although I was stressed and I'm exhausted, I have to keep reminding everyone it didn't happen to me. It happened to Heidi. And she showed me what true warrior spirit, a true warrior spirit is, with her disability and being intellectually disabled and not totally understanding what was happening to her. She faced it head on and was just absolutely amazing how she went through everything and just took it in stride. Alright, we are going to go into this shimmer, which is, all I did is went. I'm going to try brush first. I do have a little flat brush here. See how the shimmer does with a brush. Maybe. And, if not, we'll go to the finger. And I hope you guys can hear me okay. I'm sure you can hear my daughter's cat ball bagging around down here at the bottom. I have one of these sponges. I'm going to try that. Alright, so what did I say that was? All I do is win. And it's the orange sparkly. It goes on nice with the little sponges. I'm not used to using these anymore. Oh, I like it. I love that color. That really blends really nice too with this applicator. And these are washable. I don't know the name of them. I bought them on Amazon. They kind of came without a name. Alright, I like that. Alright, and I'm going to go in to that other color, which is Seize the Day, and go in the inner corner. And brow bone. It's not as sparkly as I thought. You okay, Heidi Joe? If you hear her laughing. She's never been in the room when I'm filming. Alright. I think we're going to go with a brown eyeliner. Sorry guys, it's up to 13 minutes. Or maybe not. We'll do black. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. Okay. Without poking my eye in. Alright. I'm not running back upstairs to get eyeliners. So this is what I have to do. This is Avon eyeliner in black. My eyelashes have been acting like crazy. I'm going to do the Level Up Color Pop mascara. Let me pause this and I'll bring you right back. Okay, I'm back. And I just did a light, very light line of black eyeliner on the bottom. And I used CoverGirl Level Up Mascara. My eyelashes will not curl. I don't know why. I don't know, maybe sleeping in a recliner for days in a dry hospital. Alright, I'm going to use on my lips this Aries. It came in the kit. It's ColourPop Lippy. I don't know if it's a gloss lippy. Oh, okay. Looks like that. And it is a tinted gloss. And I really need to get some skincare going because we don't know her right now. I'm thinking I might do face mask with Heidi Jo and have her on. I don't know yet. I'm going to ask the girls in the collab what they think about that. Because I don't want people to think that I'm exploiting her or anything, but we do love to do face masks. So this is my Aries look. Using the ColourPop Aries. I don't know what is going on with this hair. ColourPop Aries palette, which looks like this. And the lip gloss. And it's tinted. It's cute. And that is my look. I might warm up my cheeks a little bit. This is a cream blush, but the other blush palette I have, which would be more orange colored, is upstairs, and I don't feel like running upstairs to get it. Alright, so there's my look for today. Please watch the other girls in the Brewed Beauty collab. And if I seem a little off, it's because I am. I'm exhausted, but hey, we're doing this. So, like I said, they'll be listed down below. And to the other girls, happy collab day. And until next time, please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you like videos like this. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.